Good morning all, it's Thursday and we are pulling into our last port on our Norwegian cruise, and that is Kristiansand, and we've not been here before, so we're looking forward to it. The only problem is it's a bit bleak outside. Hopefully it's going to dry up, because otherwise we're going to get very wet, and we've got a bit of a history now for getting wet in port, so it'd be nice if we could just have one slightly mediocre bad weather day without rain. So without further ado, it's muffin time. Well, it looks like we've had a wet night. In fact, we're having a wet morning. It's raining. Somebody said the pool water wasn't very warm. Well, there's plenty of steam. There's nothing wrong with that this morning. One thing to note, if you are a smoker, you're going to like this ship, because not only have they got one side of the pool deck that's completely smoking, they've also got half of the casino you can smoke in, which is a bit stupid really, because the smoke just drifts all the way over into the non-smoking side. They've also got a smoking room upstairs, so well catered for. I have seen one or two people vaping around the actual ship, which I don't think's allowed, but then when has anybody ever cared about what's allowed? P&O are the same, and I don't know about the other cruise lines, but it would be lovely if you could just get up one morning and just get some peace and quiet without having blaring music. I'm getting old, that's what it is. Great stuff. Been fairly unlucky with the weather. I expected a little bit better in May, but it is what it is. I guess disabled people can't play bowls then. Now, I know somebody back home who would love this. I've not seen every cruise ship, but this is one of the biggest sports halls I've ever seen on the ship. I mean, it's bigger than some of the sports halls we've got back home. On him. I'm just wondering how many gallons of chrome cleaner they use per year. Imagine having to clean those mirrors. One of the complaints that we read was about how clean the ship was, and people were calling it dirty, disgusting, grubby. I haven't seen one area yet that isn't absolutely spotless. I mean, they must be constantly polishing from morning till night. I don't know which ship he was on, but it wasn't this one.
nice, and all the got is the edges ruby.
Yeah.
Like that colour.
Yeah, I've just seen that.
A reindeer sitting pad, $3.99.
Well, imagine it's a cushion. Right at the very top, you can see like the bit of the walkway. Covered over.
Yeah.
That's the back of the restaurant.
Right, anyone know this one?
Yeah.
My name's Abby from the UK. I'm joined
Show your
by
t-shirt.
all the way from Namibia.
So not only have you won £1,000, but now you've won a t-shirt. We don't say MSC. Oh, it does.
Thank you so much. I'm going to hand you over now to our incredible
Oh, we're winning this week.
Dr. Juliet.
Wait. Volleyball. 1, 2, and 3. Whee! Right.
Take a look.